When it comes to email marketing, one of the most important factors to consider is customer support. So, if you're deciding between Drip and AWeber for your email marketing needs, you're probably wondering which one offers better assistance when you run into problems or need guidance. Stick around, because I'm about to break down both platforms' customer support and let you know which one truly stands out. And stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll tell you about a competitor that could be the better choice. Let's start with Drip. Drip has a reputation for offering solid customer support, with options like live chat, email support, and a help center loaded with articles. Their response time on live chat can be pretty quick, but users often report that getting in touch with someone on email support can take a little longer. The help center is extensive, but it can be hit or miss depending on your issue. Sometimes you'll find a detailed guide, but other times you may feel like you're left on your own. Next thing, AWeber's customer support has been praised for being more accessible. They offer live chat, phone support, and email support, which is a plus if you prefer speaking directly with someone. AWeber support agents are generally knowledgeable and quick to respond, but there are occasional complaints about waiting times. A big win for AWeber is their phone support, which Drip lacks, especially for those who prefer speaking to a person for troubleshooting. That said, their knowledge base isn't as expansive as Drip's, so you may have to rely more on agents for detailed inquiries. Now, let's talk about the quality of the customer support agents. Drip's team is generally well versed in the software, and many users say they're helpful when you do get a response. However, there's a common frustration with Drip's lack of a more hands-on, proactive support structure. You might find that you need to troubleshoot a lot on your own or follow up a few times before getting the right solution. The fourth thing to consider is AWeber's customer service experience. A lot of users report a more personalized and helpful experience with AWeber's agents, especially since you have access to phone support. The downside here, though, is that AWeber can sometimes be slow to respond in certain time zones, and there are complaints about inconsistency in the quality of support depending on who you talk to. While the phone support is a great touch, you may not always get the expert-level assistance you're hoping for. Now, let's dive into something important: self-service options. Drip's knowledge base, video tutorials, and community forums can be very helpful, especially if you prefer resolving issues without waiting for customer support. However, if you're stuck on a more technical problem, you might still need to reach out for personalized support, and that's where the frustration can creep in. AWeber, on the other hand, doesn't have quite as robust of a knowledge base, but it does offer training webinars and an easy-to-navigate FAQ section. If you're someone who values DIY troubleshooting, AWeber may feel a bit more limiting than Drip when it comes to self-service. However, the phone support makes up for that by providing a more hands-on approach when you need it. So, which one wins in the customer support department? Honestly, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, but AWeber tends to edge out Drip with its phone support and more consistent live chat options. If you value having multiple ways to reach someone and quicker responses, AWeber might be the better option. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I recommend a different alternative that really shines in customer support and overall functionality. If you want better, more efficient support for your email marketing, I encourage you to check out the free trial of the software in the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your email marketing experience.